Sa ngayon mga kaibigan ay nandito tayo sa Bloomfields Cafe na matatagpuan dito sa Barangay Madamba, Dingras, Ilocos Norte. At sa lahat-lahat ng mga followers and supporters po ng JCQ Online TV, makakapanayam natin yung may-ari na si Ma'am Ray Valenzuela po ng Dingras, Ilocos Norte, at aalamin natin kung bakit Bloomfields Cafe ang pangalan ng kanyang business dito sa Madamba, Dingras. So, ma'am, bakit po Bloomfields Cafe ang naging pangalan ng business ninyo?
Hello sir, and to all who is watching your page. Basically, Bloomfields is just about, we all know that in coffee it's about blooming, it's about bringing up the carbon dioxide, because of course yung processing of a coffee grounds, and then fields because we are the rice granary of Ilocos Norte. We are called the rice granary of Ilocos Norte. So it's a combination of coffee and the rice fields. That's why it's Bloomfields. And if you can see our logo, at the upper top is the coffee beans, and then the next part is the rice fields, and then the cups. So it's a combination of coffee and rice fields. That's why Bloomfields. If you're in Dingras, so ganun po yung explanation why Bloomfields Cafe po.
Ito yung pioneer na coffee shop dito sa Dingras.
Actually, yes, sir. It's a big opportunity. At the same time, it's a blessing because we are the first ever coffee shop in Dingras, and it's, I think, in the province, may mga coffee shops naman. Pero if you can see the ambience and the look, it feels like we're the first, yung ganitong class ng online shop, coffee shop. And so may mga other establishments naman, but more on like milk teas, simple stuff, something like that. Pero when you call coffee shop, we are the first po talaga.
Yes, so yung mga pag-invite mo po sa lahat ng mga taga Dingras, and of course yung nearby municipalities po dito sa atin, ma'am.
So we are inviting you to please visit our newest, and you can say pioneer coffee shop in Dingras, Ilocos Norte, not only to all Dingreños and to all Ilocanos to come and stop by at Bloomfields Cafe, located at Barangay Madamba, National Highway, Dingras, Ilocos Norte. Thank you so much.